Hey, I'm back. And where have I been, you ask? I went to visit my daughter. Actually, I went to watch her dogs for 2 weeks and wound up staying for 3 months. 3 months, fun months filled with renovations, refurbishments, recycling projects, along with some good old-fashioned crafting and DIY. Of course, I filmed all of it. I am really happy with how we were able to transform my daughter's house. Subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you do not miss kitchen remodels, renter-friendly solutions, before and afters, modern country farmhouse decor, trash to treasure projects, affordable updates, dogs, macrame, indoor plants, plant stands and plant flower pots made out of unconventional materials, storage solutions, dogs, recycled projects, thrifted treasures, hanging floral chandeliers, dogs, fairy lights, cheap and easy decorations. Girl, I ripped out a carpet and installed a laminate flooring by myself. DIY backsplashes, peel and stick countertops, cleaning tips and tricks, original organizing ideas, modern refurbishing of paintings, thrift store finds, furniture refinishes, and much, much more. Oh, and did I mention there would be dogs? There'll be dogs too. Dogs watching my every move. Dogs not liking power tools, dogs. So once again, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single video. Of course, we will still have our crafts mixed in with there, but I have like so many videos to edit at this point. Also, if you see something that you like, please like the video, share the video. If you have questions, put them in the comment section. Either I or one of our many subscribers will answer your questions. It really helps the channel out and your tips are always welcome. I do not claim to be an expert for any of these projects. I am a simple DIYer. I like to do things as cheap as possible, as quickly as possible, and as easily as possible. Sort of how I do my crafts. Some people will be able to do it better. I accept that. And ultimately, we're just here to prove that anyone can do these projects. Trust me, anyone can be creative and make beautiful things. If we can do it, so can you. So be nice in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.